Okay, go ahead and start spraying. Spray in a big pattern. Yeah, that's it. That's good. As we see right now, I mean, instantly stop bubbling right away, and that will clean it instantly. And you can see from that, I mean, just by spraying it. And I will show you once we rinse it out. I will show you what's going to happen. And this is pretty bad wood right here. That's been sitting there forever. The only thing, I mean, the longer it sits, the better, of course, it's going to clean. But it depends on how bad the wood is and how bad it's molded. But you can tell from here, it's already started to clean up very well. It's not going to be even a minute, and we're going to probably rinse it out, though it's... Okay, let's get the sprayer. I turned it off. Oh, did you hook up the water? Okay, go ahead. So you all can see within only few seconds, and not even a minute, and that's how the wood came out to be. This is the before, and this is after. Of course, if we leave it a little bit longer, it's going to be totally different. It's going to clean a lot more.